If you or your US company engage in nearshoring with the United States, I want you to listen up because there may be visas available to you that you're not aware of. And I want you to know about them to see if they might work for you and your company. I am immigration attorney Kaylani Hawks Villafranca. I guide my clients from across the world who want to come to the US to build their families, to pursue their careers, and to enjoy their journey here in the United States. Let's talk about nearshoring. What is it? If you're involved in nearshoring, almost certainly you know more about it than I do, but nearshoring is the practice of sending work, service, product work outside the United States, but to very close countries to perform the work abroad and then import it back to the United States for US clients. I'll give you an example. A tech company in Mexico or Canada performs work for US clients. There's a US sales office here that'll sell the software services to US clients. Once a sale has been made, the order is placed for the Mexican company, let's say, for example, because most of my clients are from Mexico. The Mexican company has a team of 15 people who design the software as ordered by the US client. It is then imported into the United States and delivered to that US client. Of course, when I say import, I mean virtually. It's all happening through software services. That's nearshoring. In the past, we've heard a lot about offshoring. Oftentimes that happened on the other side of the world. But in today's economy, especially with NAFTA, there's a lot of nearshoring happening around the United States tech sector and other sectors. A lot of services business engage in nearshoring. If you engage in nearshoring, let's talk, because I'm pretty sure that you are eligible already for an E-1 trader visa. The E-1 visa is for people who engage in trade between the United States and your home country. I have tons of Mexican clients who get E-1 visas for the exchange of services, software services, technological services, other kinds of business services between the US and Mexico. There's so many people who are currently eligible for this visa and have no idea that it exists. And I love it. It's a great visa. It's so flexible. It's exactly what you need to be able to amplify your business in the United States, continue to sell to US clients, get more US clients, and then send the work home to your home country to nearshore that work, get it done, and import the work back for the satisfaction and delivery to your US clients. So if you engage in nearshoring, I want you to give me a call. Let's talk about the E-1 Treaty Trader Visa. The E-1 visa gives you a visa to come to the United States to work either, and this is critical, to work either in your US business or your foreign business in, say, the United States. So for an E-1 nearshoring visa, an E-1 trade visa, as it's also called, you do not have to have a US company. Your foreign company that engages in trade with the United States can support your USA E-1 trade visa, which is awesome. Now, whether or not you want to do that is a strategy decision that you and I will talk about. Some clients choose to do that. Others choose to build a US business. It also depends on the consulate where your case is, if they like those cases, if they don't like those cases, but it's an option. And if you already engage in nearshoring or you're building a business to do so, this can be a really flexible visa for you because it allows you to live in the US or live in your home country. It allows your spouse to come with you, and your spouse can work in the United States wherever he or she wants to, and your children can go to school here. You can renew your visa indefinitely, forever, as long as you continue to run your nearshoring business and engage in trade with the United States. If you want to learn more about this, go check out my other videos on the E-1 visa or on e-visas in general, because I explain the difference between the E-2 investor visa and the E-1 trade visa. But the takeaway I want you to hear is if you engage in nearshoring between the United States and your home country, look into this visa if you're interested in living in the US. It can be a fantastic way for you to get here. It is flexible, fast, and creative. I love it. I use it a lot for my clients. And so I really want you to know it exists because so often I meet people who've never heard of it. They don't know it exists. They think they want a different visa that's going to be harder and more expensive. And I'm able to say, no, look at your background, look at your company. I can already make this happen for you. Let's go ahead and get this one on file. And if that's you, I want you to speak up. Give me a call. Let's talk about it. Talk to you soon. Bye.